Welcome to HomePantry Pro. Today we are looking at the Elite Gourmet Countertop Double Cast Iron Burner. If you have ever found yourself short on stove space during a big holiday meal, or perhaps you are living in a dorm, an office, or a tiny apartment where a full range just is not an option, you know the struggle of trying to cook multiple dishes at once. This portable burner promises a solution that is both powerful and incredibly convenient. Let us dive into the details. First, let us talk about the design and heating capabilities. This unit features two separate cast iron heating plates. You get a larger 6.5-inch burner and a smaller 5-inch burner. The total power output is 1,500 watts, which is distributed between the two plates. This allows you to cook a main dish on one side while simmering a sauce or boiling water on the other. It is a fantastic setup for multitasking in a kitchen that does not have the square footage for a traditional stove. The temperature control is handled by individual knobs on the front of the unit. These offer low, medium, and high settings. I found that it heats up quite quickly, which is a major plus when you are pressed for time. The cast iron plates provide very even heat distribution compared to some of the cheaper coil-style burners I have tested in the past. Because these are solid flat plates, they are also much easier to clean. When you are done cooking, you just wait for the unit to cool down and give it a quick wipe with a damp cloth or a non-abrasive sponge. Safety is always a concern with countertop appliances. Elite Gourmet has included dual power indicator lights on the front panel. These are simple but effective because they provide a visual confirmation that the unit is drawing power, which prevents you from accidentally leaving a burner on. The unit also features non-skid feet on the bottom. This is a small detail, but it is crucial because it keeps the burner stable on your countertop, preventing it from sliding around while you are stirring a pot or moving a pan. Now, let us discuss the pros and cons. On the positive side, the portability is the clear winner here. Whether you are taking this on a camping trip or keeping it in a cabinet for emergency use during a kitchen renovation, it is very easy to stow away. The build quality feels solid for the price point, and the cast iron surface is a significant upgrade over those thin, flimsy coils that are hard to scrub clean. On the downside, you do need to keep in mind that this is a 1500 watt device. If you are running both burners on high simultaneously, you are hitting that total wattage limit. It is not going to replace a heavy-duty industrial range, so expect it to take a little longer to bring a large pot of water to a rolling boil compared to a high-end gas stove. Also, because it is cast iron, it does retain heat for a while after you turn it off, so you have to be mindful when you are cleaning it or moving it around the kitchen. In conclusion, the Elite Gourmet Double Burner is a reliable, budget-friendly, and highly versatile tool for anyone who needs extra cooking surface. It is perfect for entertaining, small living spaces, or even as a backup during power outages or appliance failures. It gives you the control and the heat you need without taking up your entire counter. If you are looking for a simple, no-nonsense way to expand your kitchen capabilities, this is definitely worth a look. Link in the description.